Hey guys, Nate here with the 99 Outdoors. Today we're here at Beavers Bend in Broken Bow, Oklahoma. Behind me is Broken Bow Lake. Join me today as we go exploring waterfalls, hiking, and checking out some of the most amazing views you've ever seen. We've made it to the trailhead for the Thunderbird Falls, I believe. Wish me luck we don't get lost out here. This is my spiderweb stick. Literally as soon as I walked in to here, I got hit in the face with a spiderweb. So this is our stick, because I'm not doing that again. That sucked. Okay. I'll be honest, I'm not too sure where to go from here. What do I need to do? Yeah, it looks like we just keep going this way. We'll end up there. Trail. Whew. I didn't bring anything. I'm just hiking, bro. I didn't even think about bears. Forgot about bears. Spiderwebs. Oh my god, I keep walking through them, bro. It's like my stick is not working. There's trash, that means we're in the right way, unfortunately. I'll just do it like this. Oh, tripping. I'm tripping, cuh. I hope I don't get lost out here. I should have checked if it's gonna rain. Well, we made it to the top of the waterfall. I don't know how I ended up at the top because I was trying to go down there. However, it's not really much of a waterfall. And I thought they just got rain last night, so I'm kind of confused. We're gonna go down there, because why not? How pretty it is. Whew. Dang, y'all. This is freaking steep. Look at this. Oh, God. Wow. Well, I think that's enough for the Thunderbird Falls. We're off to another one. Now, I'm no geologist, but this is like marble or granite, right? Just kind of doesn't really fit in, but that's definitely marble or granite, right? Feels like it. If you know what that is, let me know in the comments below. This isn't the same entrance I came in on. I don't really actually know where I am now. But there's a road, so I'm not 100% lost. But I'm actually have no idea where I'm at right now. But I think I'm gonna go that way. It just seems like it looks better. All right, we have made it back to the truck, which means we have visited Thunderbird Falls. I would give it, I'd say, honestly like a 9 out of 10. The only thing it was missing 10 out of 10 was some water flowing so I could actually, you know, see it. All right, you guys, we've made it to another hiking trail, the Cedar Bluff Trail. We're gonna jump out on this trail and let's see what we see. I tell y'all what, this is only incline. What the heck? I'm tired. Met a cool little family out here on the trail, and the dad said he subscribed. So hi, Dad. Thanks for subscribing. Dude, do you guys see this view? Wow. There's a deer. That's so cool. All right, you guys, we have completed the trail. So, I was just driving over a bridge and it looked really pretty. So I got out of my car and now we're gonna go check it out. It's pretty. All right, you guys, we have started on the trail to the last waterfall. I will see you guys there. Yeah, I don't think I learned anything from the last episode. I'm gonna walk under a fallen tree again. Survival awareness. This times 2. Let's keep going, y'all. All right, y'all. This is the first time we've been touching the water today. Let's see if it's cold. Whew, it feels good though. It's cold, but it feels good. Oh, it's so pretty out here, man. Dude, look at this. Oh gosh. Oh. Dang. This is beautiful. Here's some turkey tails. I think they're turkey tails. Could be wrong. Here's a, oh, I forgot what these are called. They're really cool spiders. You can see them in there. Big old chunker. Big old guy. Goodness gracious. Whew. That's cold. Okay. This is super slippery. Dang. It doesn't look that steep, but it is. All right, you guys, it is hot and this water is cold and we are getting in it. Oh man, make sure I ain't got none in my pockets. I got my hat on, but that'll be all right. Oh, it's so cold. Woo. Woo. Oh man. Oh, this is nice. Yo, this is it. I have my own personal waterfall. I don't even remember the name of it. It's kind of deep. You know? I'm standing up. I might jump. Now listen, I have a secret to tell you guys. So you gotta be quiet about it. Ready? I'm secretly a water bender. Look. You see what I'm talking about? We are out of here. I will see you guys at the next spot. Hey, look, Bigfoot. All right, we have made it to our last stop. We are here at the Beavers Bend Safari Park. And we're probably gonna get abused by the ostriches, is what they told me in there. So we'll see how that's gonna be. Look at you guys. You guys are too cool for school, man. Yeah. You look pretty cool. What are you? What is that? That's an Addicts. Mr. Addicts. Oh, shit. There's one right there. They don't want me to leave. I don't want to leave. I don't think it's going to let me leave until I feed them, but I ain't got no food. Hey, man, tell your friend to move. Move! Move! Freaking jerk. I'm stuck there for so long. What's up, guys? I'm sorry. What's up, guys? I'm sorry. Dude. That's the cutest thing. Look at him go. Oh my gosh. Dude. How freaking cool is that? Show me what you got. You're about to mess me up. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're so big. No, I can't. God. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you too. I'm so sorry. I can't. Yeah, I feel bad I sissied out, but that was scary. That was really scary. That's a big bird, okay? In person, it's really big. Oh my gosh, she's actually mad. Oh my God, wait. Yo. My gosh. Oh mate, it's a roo right there. Well guys, we're all done with the safari and we're headed home. Storm's moving in, we're out of here, you guys. Hey, why are you doing it? Why did you do it? Why? We'll never know. Well, good thing we left when we did. Holy moly, y'all. This is crazy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to hit subscribe and check out the channel for plenty of other videos just like this one. Thank you.